Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sanjana Karkera and I'm currently living on the Cranfield University campus in a shared house. This is a medium to large room. And since we're going to be moving out of the campus soon, I thought I'll quickly record a room tour and possibly a house tour. So in case you're moving here to a shared house or still deciding which accommodation to choose, this video could help you decide better. So, welcome to my room. So it's a pretty large room. I selected a medium room, but I think I was allotted a large room since I selected a female housing later on. This is the bed area. I've divided my room into a study area and a bed area so I don't feel sleepy while studying. So I've made this pretty cozy with soft toys and my vision board and some books beside my bed. I got this rug from Temu. I got this rack as well from Temu since I have very limited cupboard space. This bedstand was given by them. I often get boxes sent to me from India since the spices are just better and cheaper there. This is my study area with a pretty big board and pretty big study table, and they provide the chair as well. And I've stuck some pictures of family and friends and the favorite memories, and this is some background research for my thesis. This is the window, pretty large, and this is one of the reasons why I selected a shared house, because the buildings can be pretty suffocating. I have a pretty beautiful view, and in the shared house my window is pretty large. All of these three open, so very good air circulation, and we also have access to a backyard. Now this is the, I would say, dressing area. A very messy dressing area. Anyway, there was no mirror on the cupboard, so I got this stick-on mirror also from Temu. This is the hallway and the washroom. This is how close I live to my favorite roommates. This is the small room, and this is Akshata, our favorite cook. And our backyard. This is the ground floor. And the kitchen, a pretty messy kitchen. This is fridge 1, fridge 2. This is our dining area, our sofa, and our pretty backyard up close. Also accessible from the houses around. Hope you liked the room tour and the house tour. And I should quickly also tell you the drawbacks of living in the shared house. So we have 2 washrooms. It's shared between 5 people, but we're usually only around 4 people living in the house, which is a fair number. That's 1 washroom for every 2 people. And we have a backyard, which is a plus, but since we don't need an ID card to enter into a shared house, there's usually more guests here, which equals to more mess. The biggest drawback is that the wiring in the shared house is pretty old, so we've had frequent power cuts, and that also means no Wi-Fi when there's a power cut. The university is pretty quick in repairing it if it's a weekday, but if it's a weekend you have to wait till Monday, and that's a big problem to live without light. But it's usually only one line of power cut, so the chargers are still working, but not having Wi-Fi and not being able to cook is a pretty big problem when you're on a budget. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good time in Cranfield. Comment down if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel.